In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your hearing aid. Do your best to keep your hearing device clean at all times. Wax or cerumen, moisture, and foreign substances can result in poor performance and require frequent servicing or repairs. Treat your hearing aid like the valuable instrument that it is. Clean your hearing aid daily over a cloth or a tray like a jewelry tray with borders to prevent damage from falling on a hard surface and to find it easier if you drop it. Use a cleaning cloth to remove oils or debris from around the body of the hearing aid. Use a cleaning brush to clean debris from the microphone and especially from the receiver. It's best to hold the hearing aid's receiver or speaker upside down so that gravity can assist you in removing all the debris that's accumulated. If you have a wax guard in place protecting the receiver, you would then be brushing over the wax guard. Never use water, solvents, cleaning fluids, or oil to clean your instrument. And remember to clean your hearing aids every day. If your hearing aids have stopped working properly, it should be evaluated in the office. To schedule a free hearing evaluation at one of our convenient locations, call us at the number below. And be sure to visit our website at hearingaiddoctors.com, where you'll find more videos and articles about your hearing and hearing solutions. Thanks for watching.